everyone, we are back.
Hi, I'm Paula.
I'm Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
I'm her daughter.
Welcome to This Made Up Life. We got some t-shirts today. So last time we showed you how we just cut a t-shirt to create this fun little vest.
So cute.
Which is really cute and I love wearing it. But today Cecilly is bringing us kind of a t-shirt tunic look.
Yeah, so it could be a tunic or it could be a dress.
Wearing it. Look how cute this is.
I used some old t-shirts to create this fun new look.
Yeah, I really like it. And I think it'd be great as a dress. You could wear it as a beach cover-up. You could throw a little belt on it. It's just kind of fun way to preserve those tees.
And guess what? No sew.
No sewing.
So get excited.
All right, here we go. We're going to dive in and do one.
I'm gonna bring...
Okay.
So, please
tell me
continue.
what we're going to do.
Okay, we are going, first, we're going to tell you what tools you need. Tools. 2 shirts. One that you want to have on the top. So we're using this Los Dodgers t-shirt, aka the Dodgers.
The boys of summer.
And then I want this one on the bottom. So just blue. Also, one thing to note that the shirts should both have the hem attached.
Yeah, we haven't cut the hems off these, so they have a nice hem on them.
Yes.
And we also checked to make sure that they're pretty similar in width. We actually had to kind of stretch this one to get it to match, but that's really important and you'll see why.
Also, make sure that the fabrication, the material that it's made of, is also very similar. If you have one that's too stretchy, it just isn't gonna work. More tools. Scissors. A marking pen, a measuring device, such as a ruler or a tape, and our heat and bond, ultra soft stretch tape.
Yes, this is it.
We couldn't find one in the package, so look at this superimposed image right here. All right, let's begin.
Okay, what are we gonna do first?
Lots of shirts just sit in your closet or sit in your drawer and they get wrinkly. So we need to press these shirts.
Okay.
Thankfully, we pressed ours already. We came prepared.
All right, so this is going to be the bottom part, right?
Yes. So I'm going to lay this out. How did we do this?
So we have to figure out how long you want this extension to be.
The entire thing.
Because I think on the one you're wearing, you did a 10-inch extension.
But I think this shirt is a different
This shirt's a different length. So we're going to measure the shirt
from the top of the shoulder.
From the top of the shoulder where the collar is down to the hem. 26 inches.
And where's 26 on my body?
So if we went from the top of your shoulder down, 26 is about right there.
Okay, so proportionally, we would probably only want to go, what? What's half of 26?
Half of 26 is 13, so you want to do less than 13.
Let's do
10.
10.
Okay, 10.
10 inches it is.
10 it is. All right, we're going to move this shirt out of the way. This is going to be the top. And we're moving this one back on.
Boy. Fold it in half. This makes cutting so much easier.
Matching up the hem, right?
Yes, matching up the hem for sure.
Okay.
All right, so take your measuring device. Don't let anything get burned on the iron. And measure up. Will you hold the top of this one?
I'd be happy.
Thank you. Look at that one-handed taking off the lid.
Very good at that.
Mark at 10. And then kind of bring the ruler, measuring tape down a few inches, mark again.
So basically you're just marking it all the way across 10 inches from the hemline, right?
Yes. It's okay if the pen is a different color or like a permanent marker, because you're going to cut as close to that line as possible so you won't really see it. So here we go. We're going to cut.
Awesome.
Done.
Done. All right, so we can put this away or do something else with this later. But now,
okay, we are then going to flip your top inside out. And we're going to put it on.
You don't have to do that.
Oh, we don't have to do it? Oh, yeah, you're right. See, that's why we make a good team. Work smart, not hard. She's really good at working smart. I'm so good at working hard.
See, we're
bread and butter.
Love, so.
I like to do it this way.
Okay,
So I'm going to do it this way.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to iron on the
Heat and bond tape.
and it's a stretch version. Don't get the regular
Don't
version.
get the
It's
hem
got to
tape.
have stretch so that it stretches because t-shirts
So it
stretch.
stretches.
Oh, very nice. All right, so you're going to lay that on here.
And while you could put it in strips, we highly recommend that you don't do that. You need a full continuous.
Or at least
Strip.
make sure that you
They're very close together.
iron the strips on right on.
Right. So we're going to put the tape right underneath the seam stitching on the hem. So it just lines right up next to it, so you don't have to measure, or we'll show you some pictures. You probably can't even see that. White on white. Impossible.
Okay, so
And I suggest doing the pressing in sections. You kind of just hold for a little bit. You don't want steam. Thanks a lot. All right, flip your shirt. It's nice to have a buddy. All projects are nice to have a buddy, right? Who likes really working alone all the time?
sorry,
You're good.
get it so that
This is how most projects work with my mom. When I work with my mom, she always does all the really intense, hard, like exact stuff. I'm just like, I'm gonna cut here. She's very good at being deliberate and exact, intentional. Not me.
No, you are too.
I would rather not measure and just like, this seems right.
That comes with age, unfortunately. And many, many, many failed projects along the way.
Yeah, that sounds about right. But truly, we do work together very well. She's very good at being analytical.
You're very, very good at being creative.
Not analytical. All right, you get to the end. Trim. And always remember to let it cool.
Okay, so
Pull it.
now that it's cool,
Yes. Now that it's cool, you're going to take one end of the paper, and you're going to gently pull it off. Like so. Okay, fine. Woo.
all right, what's next?
All right, next, we put the shirt back, inside out, continue, over, or put the ironing board through the shirt.
Okay, so why is that important?
If you don't,
This is super
this
important.
is very, very important. You do not want to get your heat and bond tape stuck to your iron or your ironing board.
So if we were to have left it flat, the piece that we just all peeled the paper off of on the underside would start sticking to the ironing board. All right, so now what are we going to do with this?
Next, take your skirt and flip it inside out as well. And then we slide the ironing board through it again.
Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee.
Now this shirt has side seams, so but this shirt doesn't. So kind of try to match up where the side
Yeah, we
would be.
kind of have.
It's kind of like right
Yeah,
there.
that's
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So we suggest starting in the front because you're going to get, this is going to be the flattest area to work with.
And where we're putting this, we're just barely covering the tape, and you can kind of see it,
It shines a
It
little bit in the
shines.
light.
and you can feel it too.
So we're just going to match the edge of this tape.
So right here, with the edge of the skirt or the bottom.
And make sure that the piece you're adding right now, the t-shirt part that you're adding right now, covers the
Yes.
tape because
You do
otherwise
want
it'll get it on your iron and then that's just a big mess.
It's the worst. It's the pits.
Especially when you go to iron like a white shirt
Yeah,
or
and you're
something
like,
afterwards and
oh,
you're all,
smudge.
crap.
But watch our white shirt video to get that smudge out.
There you go. Okay, so
And you're just going to press the same way that you press the tape on. So hold it for a few seconds. Oh, it's so hot. Very hot. It's good to have your iron on the highest setting and again, no steam.
okay, so now we have to turn this so that we can get to the next section. So we're gonna let it cool for just a second. And we're stretching this top shirt just a tiny bit because the shirt, the blue shirt, was a little bit bigger.
Bigger, yes. Now we're at the very back. We've run into a pickle. The pickle is
That the
top, top and the bottom do not evenly match. So what we have to do is we have to pull the white shirt because it's smaller
and kind of ease in.
Ease in the skirt. Bother me. Okay, again, buddy, super helpful. So my buddy is pulling the top of the shirt, if you didn't catch any of that.
Now, we wanted to try and show this to you without using any additional tools, but if you want it to be really accurate, you could pin this on
Yes.
before
Pressing.
and that way, if you did have to do a little bit of stretching to match, you'd pin it in place and then you'd know.
And you already know where you have to stretch.
All right.
Okay. Let it cool?
We're gonna let it cool a little bit.
Oh, I'm so excited about this one.
I know, it's kind of fun.
Okay, let it cool. Then, little flippy dippy. Just made that up.
You just made that up
I
just
just
now.
made that up just now. Look at this super cute,
Simple.
Dodgers dress.
Really cute. This would be a really easy way to turn a fun t-shirt into a dress for your daughter.
Oh my gosh, so easy.
Easy, fun,
Yeah.
quick,
So
or
cute.
to do like little matching dresses. It's just, it's a fun, quick and easy way.
Yeah.
Great job, Cec. Thanks for bringing us that quick hack.
You're welcome. So, as always, if you like the video,
Don't forget, like
it, follow us,
follow us,
share the video, and subscribe. Please, 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 please.
And watch right here. We have a big launch coming up soon.
Our special project. We're gonna launch it.
And we're super excited.
Anything else?
So, no.
Follow
Come back
along.
and see us soon.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Bye.